Hello everyone, you are on the Black Dog channel and that means it's time for scary videos. Put on your headphones, turn off the lights and we'll start. Number 1. The video was uploaded to YouTube by an author named Irvin. His son is sitting in the house and Irvi is filming. His camera captured a small man. The creature looks cool and believable, but most likely it is computer graphics. What do you think? Write your options in the comments. Number 2. Debbie Marilov and friends sailed along the Isabella River in Puerto Rico. As she began filming on her phone, she could be heard laughing until she captured something in the water. She posted the video on Facebook and wrote in the description that it was a mermaid or the body of a drowned person. Number 3. This video was filmed in a store in which there is a large concentration of ghosts. It is hard to believe. Number 4. This video was shot in Russia. The video was taken on a video surveillance camera in the entrance. After a while a scary creature appears. It broke the light bulb and disappeared. Number 5. The man shared CCTV footage from work. He assumes that the camera has captured a restless soul.